Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to extract and edit the audio of your video in CapCut. So let's say that you have a video with music or audio on it, but you just want to edit the audio. So what you need to do is just extract the audio first. So just click on the video, find the extract audio options in the bottom here, this one, click on that, and after that the audio will be extracted like this. And to edit the music or audio, just click on the audio file in the track, and here there are some edits that you can do. You can make the volume loader, for example, like this, or you can also add some voice effect if you want. And let's say for example, I want to add some fade effect. Click on fade and adjust the duration or how much the fade effect to apply to the audio. If you're done, just click on a check icon, and that's it. That's how you can edit audio on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.